This is the last video. In this video, I'm showing you how to add vocals to your track. So you can add the lead vocals and then add background vocals. And I'm going to show you how to do that to a track that you have already recorded and created on GarageBand. I hope you find this helpful. Door just closed. I hope you find it helpful. And yeah. Let me know any other questions that I might be able to help you with. I don't know everything, so bear with me. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I add vocals to my tracks. So we did the track, right? And I have it on the bar style. We're going to go to these four little square boxes. I just clicked it. Now usually you have to search and you just swipe to search, but I already have it set to audio recorder, and we're going to click voice, and this is going to show up. So if you have an external mic, you can connect an external mic, and I'm going to show you real quick. The one I use, it's not the best, it's just an inexpensive mic that I use. So, oh shoot, it's a little too close, but this is the mic I use. And you connect it. It comes with a little stand and everything. So, see how I already have everything plugged in. So it has for Apple and Android, and it has for the headphones so you could hear, and then the plug to charge it because it does run on a battery, and it comes with a little foam filter and the pop filter. Anyway, that's what I use to record the vocals. So back to this. Okay, so you have this. It has pitch control, which you can turn off if you don't want any of that. That's what I usually do because I really don't know what it does. If it changes the pitch, I really don't want that. I want to hear my voice. Vocal Hall, this makes it more ambient. That's what I think that it does. Compressor, squeezes everything so it balances the loud and the soft, so it all sounds even. Now the tone too, I think it changes the tone of the vocals. So if you don't want that, you gotta turn the knob. So turn the knob to hear if you don't want it changing any tone, which I also do. I don't want it messing with the tone of my voice. I don't really know how much it changes or what. Okay, so here we go. For vocals, you want to click these buttons right here, this button right here, and then it says lead vocals, and then it's track volume. So this is how much you can hear the voice with once you record it in the track. And the track pan right here is if you want the vocals to be heard on the left or on the right or on both sides of the ears when you plug in the headphones or when you record it. And someone hears it with headphones, they're going to hear your voice either, if you have it here, they're going to hear it on the left, here on the right, or here. I don't mess with it so they can hear it on both sides. Compressor has how much compression you want on the voice. Treble and bass, if you want to bass, hear me. I do that all the time. If you add more bass or treble, whatever you want. And then here is the echo and reverb. So you can add a lot of echo. It's got a significant amount you can add. And a little goes a long way, in my opinion. When I'm listening, don't want to overdo it. Also with reverb, it's the same thing. And then if you click this arrow here, where it says Master Effects, it shows you echo and reverb. And you open, and it gives you different styles. So you can play with these, and you don't have to record to hear them. When you're plugged in and you have the mic in, you can talk and it'll show you, and you can click and talk and it'll show you what it sounds like in your headphones. and also with reverb, it's the same thing. So you can decide which one you like the best for that particular song. Okay, so that's how you control the lead vocals. You can close this. It also has, like, once you plug in your mic, it'll let you control the in and out, so you can turn these on and off. Right here it has the off, but you can turn it on so you could hear how much of your voice you want to hear, or you know, how little of it you want to hear in your ears. It usually goes with this guy, but since I don't have a mic on, this controls, it reduces noise, so you can turn it on or off. And when you record, you want to start your track at the beginning. All you have to do is press record, and I'm going to show you. And you'll hear the track. See, you hear the track. You're going to hear my voice being recorded after I stop. So it's going to record everything I'm saying. Okay, so here we go. Now this is recording now, and you can see the input and out right there. All right, I'm going to stop that. Now to hear it, you just have to press play. See, you hear the track. You're going to hear my voice being recorded after I stop. So it's going to record everything I'm saying. Okay, so here we go. Now this is recording now. Now if you don't like the vocals, this is what you do. To go back to the beginning, press this button right here with the little bars. Okay, that one. And here you see where it says lead vocals. This one, you can mess with the settings as well. You can put less gain, more gain, you know, however you want that. And you can delete it if you don't like it. You can also split this. So here's the little scissors, and you go down. I think you click down or something. I'm still trying to figure it out. So you do click down to cut it, basically, and it splits that. See? So now they're separate, and now you can delete a piece of it if you want it out. So you click and you can delete, and it'll delete if you don't like it, or you can delete the whole thing. There you go. And you can go again and record vocals all over again. So let me see. I think this is what I showed before. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure this out. This is how much I know by doing this on my own and figuring it out, just playing with it, you know, making mistakes, erasing, and starting all over again. Oh, this is another one. So if you click this arrow, this is how to save it. But here, if you go to lead vocals, there's different styles of vocals you could record. So you could use this for the lead vocals if you just want lead vocals. This gives different effects to your singing. So if you add like background vocals, you can do this. Makes it sound more like a chorus. And I wish I could show you how it sounds. It doesn't. I can't do it without headphones. It won't let me, as far as I know. But if you want to add another track, so let me show you how to add another track of vocals, because you don't want to record on the same one. To add another track of vocals after, hold on, I'm going to record this track first. Okay, so this is the lead vocals. So this will be on one loop track, I don't know, one line, something like that. I don't know what to call it. This is how much of a novice I am. Okay, now we're gonna stop it. And okay, so this is the lead vocals. Okay, those are the lead vocals. Now, if you want to add more vocals to this, I usually go back here, but then you can go like this, click the button with the 4 squares and add another voice. Now, what you can do, instead of lead vocals, let's try a sweet chorus. So you can play with this as much as you want. And now we can go back and record some more.
Okay, so this is the lead vocals.
This is the lead. This is not the lead. This is the chorus vocals that we are recording now. That's going to be next to the, it's going to sound terrible, but that's what it is. Okay, now I'm just going to show you.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to play, and you're going to hear both of them.
This is the lead vocals. This is the lead. This will be on the
You hear it? It's right behind it, so.
track. What line? Something like that. I don't know what to call it.
There you go. So now when we go back to here, you can see this is the background chorus style. You can, it could also both be lead if you want that. And then you can set the gain so it doesn't sound so loud. But that is how you do you can add different layers of vocals as well that way. And that's how you do it. I'm just gonna delete this because it's it's kind of hilarious. But yeah, I feel like I'm forgetting something here, and I don't know. Let me see. Let's go back. Okay. So that is how you add the vocals to a track that you have made when you don't know how to play an instrument. I was trying to show you that in my first video, the track video, but I messed up. I went out of frame and then you couldn't see what I was doing. So I got a little frustrated with that and I was like, dang it, I'm gonna have to re-record. So this is gonna be its own separate video for that. You can add effects when you have the vocals, like I showed you in the other video. When you record your vocals, you can also hear it, and you can press record while you play it and you hear the voice. You can do the filter stuff. But that is it for how to add vocals to your music track that you have already on GarageBand. And when you click this little arrow, that's how it saves it immediately. It's saved there. It's not going to go anywhere. And you can always just click on it to go back. See? And it'll be there for you to mess with, change, whatever. All right, I hope you guys found this helpful. I'm not a professional. I've been doing this for a couple of months, and this is what I've figured out for myself. So I hope it helps you out, and it's simple to follow. All right, until next time.